It's Friday, September 17th, 2021, and you're watching the Paper Call Report, brought to you by Offer Vault, the largest affiliate offer directory in the universe. First, we have our top categories. The ever-growing billion-dollar category Home Services claimed first place as it dominated the top categories list. Insurance, which can include health insurance, Medicare insurance, life insurance, and auto insurance, stayed in second, and legal placed third. Personal insurance, which is mostly made up of health insurance campaigns, stayed in fourth, and financial services popped up in fifth. Now it's time for our top offers. Addiction marketing specialists with their 24/7 nationwide rehab campaign stayed in the leading position. Live Calls Network stayed in their second place with their auto accident campaign, and Aragon Advertising IRS tax debt relief campaign remained in third. Paulo climbed to fourth place with its Roundup mass tort campaign. Aragon Advertising showed up again on the top offers list, but this time with a Vivint home security campaign. For direct links to the Offer Vault campaigns, verticals, and more, check out the Ringba blog for all the details. A link will be available in the comments below. Now it's time for our top networks. With a continued focus on home services campaigns, LeadSmart continues to dominate first place. Hyper-target marketing, with 305 offers paid out monthly, remained in second. Market Call jumped up to third place, eLocal with 51 offers landed the fourth position, and with 380 offers focusing mostly on home services and insurance campaigns, Aragon Advertising took fifth. This week, all 5 of the top 5 Paper Call networks are Ringba customers. We'd like to thank our friends over at Offer Vault for providing us with up-to-the-minute market data and helping us analyze the latest changes in the paper call industry. News and announcements. Thank you to everyone we saw at Traffic and Conversion Summit and Contact.io. We're excited to have trade shows back and talk calls and hang out. In fact, if you're attending InsurTech Connect and LeadsCon in Las Vegas in October, be sure to link up with the Ringba team. We'd love to connect with you. Paper Call Careers. The Ringba team is continuing to expand. We're still looking to fill the following positions: View user experience developers, senior .NET engineers, and business development managers. Join our innovative and client-oriented team. Email us today at sales@ringba.com with your resume. Thank you for watching this week's episode of the Paper Call Report. Be sure to tune in every Friday afternoon to stay on top of changes in the industry. If you're a Ringba customer and would like to be featured on this show, please contact your representative for more information. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading paper call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of paper call, visit www.ringba.com.